Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and getting the exact files you need. Back up the Bloxstrap folder so you can revert if necessary. Once done, download the latest release and confirm the checksum or file size to avoid corrupted updates. Make sure to close raw blocks and temporarily disable overlays and real-time antivirus shields that block installers. Now run the installer as administrator and watch for immediate permission prompts so the installer can place files. Once installation begins, configure the core files to ensure lighting loads correctly. Open the Bootstrap, CFG or settings, JSON with a plain text editor, and set the correct asset and cache paths. This tells Bloxstrap where to find textures and maps. Make the log-level debug to capture detailed errors, and enable verbose logging so you can trace asset loads. Also change file and service permissions so the installer account or service user has read and write access to those folders. You finish by applying and verifying changes. Restart the Bloxstrap service or reboot the machine so new files and permissions take effect. Then launch Roblox and confirm that the custom lighting appears. Make sure to check the verbose logs for asset load timestamps and error codes. If problems persist, revert to your backup config. Compare the debug logs line by line to spot missing assets or path mismatches, and then reapply only the corrected settings before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.